Olympus make ultrasonic flow detector. Model Epoch 650. Robust build quality. 5.76-inch display. Smart encoder knob. Direct access keys. OK. Back. TB. Freeze. Gate. Peak memory. Freeze. And second F. Second function is used to select second function mentioned on key in yellow. Full next. Lock key to lock keypad during inspection. Alarm LEDs, power LED, function keys. Need to select corresponding function keys to select function, on off keys, and these are the parameter keys. Hard push to on. Two BNC connectors, R and T-R mentioned on connectors. Charging port, RS232 port to connect external alarms. VGA port to get the display on bigger monitor. Battery housing, continuous positioning pipe stand. For data transfer features, micro SD card and USB port. We can transport the data into PC through GaugeView software. Now this is the home screen of equipment. Battery indication, page numbers, total 5 pages in this equipment, direct access keys, measurement display, unit type, gain, range, delay, function keys. We need to select corresponding function key, and these are the parameter keys. Full next feature. Now there is page number selection, second page, third page, fourth and fifth page. We need to select full next key to select the page, and this is the full feature. Press second F and full next key to get the full view of display, and use this key to back. Calibration setting of single crystal transducer. We are calibrating single crystal transducer on V2 black. First select range, approximate 50 mm. Now press F2 and go to pulsar mode PE square and 4 MHz. Go to receiver, press F3. Filter should be 1.5 and 8.5. Rectification full, rejection 0. Angle should be, go to trigonometry, angle should be 0. In straight beam transducer, go to AutoCal. There are multiple echoes coming on screen. So we need to select gate by P5 key and go to first backwall indication. Press Cal 0. Thickness of V2 block is 12.5 mm. We need to adjust the value to 12.5 mm. By using this OK key, we can select the core step and fine step. 12.5 mm, press continue. Then go to second backwall indication. Press Calwell. Enter the value 25 mm. Second multiple of V2 block. 25 mm, press done. Calibration is completed. There are 4 indication on the screen: 12.5, 25, 37.5 and 50 mm. Calibration of dual crystal transducer. Connect to cables, connect probe, go to basic, select range 50 mm, go to pulsar mode dual, go to trigonometry, angle should be 0 and go to AutoCal. Select first backwall indication, press Cal 0, adjust the value 12.5 mm, we are calibrating on V2 block. Press continue, again press gate and go to second backwall indication, press Calwell, adjust the value 25 mm, press done. Calibration is completed. 4 indication in 15 mm range, 4th 50. Now shift the gate 37.5, 25 and 12.5 mm. Calibration of angle beam transducer. Connect probe in T-R socket. Range should be 250 mm. Go to basic and select range 250 mm. Pulsar mode PE square 4 MHz. Filter 1.5 8.5 and angle should be as per the probe. I am using 60-degree angle probe. X of correction we need to calculate. Go to AutoCal. This equipment has very good feature. We can calibrate the indication in freeze mode. Select the highest peak. By using second different gate, we can adjust the height of indication up to 80%. And by using this peak memory, we can find the highest peak by sliding probe on V2 block. Press peak memory. This is the highest position, and we have froze the equipment. Now select Calwell and adjust the value to 25 mm on first indication. Press continue. And again press gate start, G1 start and move the gate to second indication. On second backwall, press Calwell, enter the value 100 mm. The second backwall on V2 block is 100 mm and press done. Now shift gate and verify your beam path. Beam path is showing on top left corner. Unfreeze the equipment and verify the angle on V2 block. 60-degree marked on V2 block. Place your beam exit point to that 60-degree mark. Shift the gate to that position. The height is approximately 15 to 18%. So we need to increase the gain, or we need to select auto 80%. Second F and gate. It is showing 19.72 mm. File saving feature of Epoch 650. Go to page 5x5. Select file. Press create. File type incremental. File name you need to enter by using P1 edit key. Keyboard will appear and you need to enter by inserting insert key, that F5. File name should be 1 character or 40 character. Description, inspection ID, location node no need to enter. Go to start ID, and if you enter 0 you can save 0 to 9 file. If you enter 00 you can save 99 files. Create, file will create and open, file will create and open, create and save, it will save the last set calibration automatically. it will ask you need to press yes to save that calibration as well as screenshot. Now for the procedure for saving the screenshot, you need to press second F and freeze. Equipment will show you operation successful. You can also save the indications in freeze mode. Freeze it, again press second F and freeze.